Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Antonio, the Automated Coach, and I am glad to have you back. Today, I have a treat for you. I have vibe coded an app to help me memorize my SDR scripts. I am an SDR, and I've closed over Zoom, I've closed over high ticket sales over Google Meet. Right now, I'm cold calling as a sales development representative, and I wanted a way to memorize my objection handling scripts and my cold call scripts. So I had to go and create an app to be able to do that, and that's what I'm talking about in this video. If you want to pick it up, drop me a comment in the video, in the comments below, and also give me a subscribe, give me a love, shoot me a comment, let me know how you liked it, and let's jump into it. We are over on the platform that I just vibe coded. It's called the Reflex Engine, and it is going to help you memorize your scripts as an SDR or an AE or a high ticket closer, like whatever you're doing as far as sales. If you're closing over the phone or on Zoom, then and you want to memorize your scripts and your objections, then this is the tool. Just drop me a comment below and I'll send it over to you. If I haven't made it paid yet, if I've made it paid, then you'll see a link in the description. But for right now, I'm just going to give it away, see how the market likes it and that good stuff. So let me just go ahead and show you exactly how you can operate it. What you want to do is, first thing you want to do is you want to come over here to your AI center and drop your OpenAI key or your Google Gemini key in here. The next thing you want to do is, and you want to tell it like which one, is it OpenAI or is it Google Gemini? And you can drop either your objection handling scripts in here or your full sales script in here. For right now, I'm going to show you how to do it with an objection handling script. And once you choose your objection handling script, put your API key in and then paste your script in here. And what's going to happen is the AI is going to separate your script out into chunks that make sense. So what we'll do is drop this objection handling portion of this script in here and just do the objection handling part. And we're going to hit generate, and it's going to generate the section. The AI is going to take that script and generate the sections so that we can memorize this easier. And as you can see, you got the I need to think about it, concerns about the cost, need more information, timing isn't right, skepticism, and let's import all 5. Now, let's go over to the objection architect, and here you have, this is where, and let me get rid of the ones that was already in there. And now you got your need to think about it, and that I completely understand that you need some time to think it over. Can you share what specific aspects are making you hesitant? It's important that we address any concerns that you might have right now. So if I want to memorize these things, what I'll do is I'll come into my reflex trainer, and this is step 1, empathy question, step 2, value pivot, and then step 3 of my objection handling framework is pivot CTA close. And so if I want to memorize this, the first thing that I'm going to do is read this. It's kind of like in school, what you heard to memorize, read, recite, review. We're going to kind of do something like that. We're going to read it in its entirety. Then we're going to go to the battle grid and we're going to click that. And now we're going to come over and try to fill in these blanks. We're going to try to fill in the blanks from what we just read. Then we're going to go over to so this is the I need to think about it. We're going to try to fill in the blanks from what we just read. And if we can't, we're going to go back. Read it again. I completely understand that you need some time to think it over. Can you share what specific aspects are making you hesitant? Let's say I come back over. I completely understand that you need some time to think about it. Can you share some specific aspects that's making you hesitant? Okay, I've got that. Let's go back. I completely understand that you need some time to think it over. Can you share some specific aspects that's making you hesitant? It's important that we address any concerns that you might have right now while we're on this call. I completely understand that you need some time to think about it, but can you share some specific aspects that's making you hesitant? I think it's important that we address any concerns that you might have right now on this call. So you see how we can begin to memorize. Then we go over to concept, last but not least. And that's where we get to the point where we can just say it without having any clues. We'll come over and just say it. And when we get done doing this, we will have memorized this, and I'm going to update this app to it's going to be way better than this. Right now, this is just beginning stages of it, but soon I'm gonna have it to where it's so awesome. I'm gonna start charging for it. So if you want to be like grandfathered into this amazing app that I'm about to start like building out and creating, then you want to get your hands on it now. Let me know in the comments that you want it, and I'll send it over to you. My name is Antonio. I'm the automated coach. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.